12:15, 2020. The time is right now 1:32 a.m. Eastern Time, and it is. And what we have is the Dow Jones. We got the futures market right now, and it's breaking out. It's going up higher. Now, it's been down all day. There is a doji reversal. Let me explain something to you about you futures trader. Listen, we have a complete software app called Panther Quant for trading futures and whatnot. And this is a live market as it is. It's a 1 minute chart. It's live. It's breaking out. Over here, we refer to a doji reversal. And the qualifier, of course, is always going to be the down bar, right? So when you take a look at how futures trade, it's the world in itself, my friends. Merry Christmas to everybody. I just want you to know it. And I want you to know that in 2021, there's going to be a lot of volatility. Excuse me, I don't know if my headset's working correctly or not. Sometimes it can get distorted in the tape and in the sound, so don't think it's me. But nonetheless, now we broke out and we came off of the bottom. So tomorrow, this is in the Dow Jones futures. Let's go ahead and take a look at the S&P 500 futures. And they too have the very same pattern as they do. Let's take a look at NASDAQ 100 futures, which made their bottoms as they did. And then they came back up. How about that? And now they're comfortably up at the highs and whatnot. And once again, this particular tape, before we're done, let's take a look at the mid-cap futures. They're up and down every which way. Actually, they're negative by minus 3.3. And that market, mid-cap, small-cap, has been on fire. But we're looking at the Dow, and we're looking at NASDAQ 100. So when NASDAQ 100 futures are trading up, that's going to let you know tomorrow that when stocks do hit support levels, whatever those support levels are, then they're going to bounce, and then they're going to go higher. And why could I say that and be right? So mathematically, it works out that way, and the math is never wrong, and it never will be. And we've already computed out year 2021, and we have. And we know exactly what 2021 will be. And we know what this futures market will be. If you learn how to trade futures, and you learn how to use our Panther Quant futures trading platform, you're going to be a winner. Oh, yes, you are. And you will enjoy that winning. And you will. And you'll sleep good on your pillow that night, as you will. And that, my friends, is what this is about. It's about how you win. It's about how you come out ahead. It's about you getting the skills needed, maybe. And I'm here to assist you in that part of it. And we're going to walk a path together that will be everlasting. And the reason why it's always everlasting is because we're always doing the right thing. And when we do the right thing, directional price movement up, we had, if you take a look here, NASDAQ 100, take a look at a 15-minute. Look at that 15-minute bar. Whoa, pops right up. So when the futures trade a certain way, it has a story in there. And that story will be based on the opening bell tomorrow. If you would like to join the free 5-day trial for that event, you're most welcome to. And it would be an enjoyable event. All you have to do is sign up for it. There should be a link there in the text or whatever the case is. And that's how you get involved. And then you go from there. And if you like what you see, then you know it's good. I will promise you one thing. And here is my promise. You will not be happy, meaning that when I say that, you've gone to lots of places, you haven't been happy. Well, you will here. And the only way that you can be happy is when the money prints in your account at the end of the day. I never want you to forget what I just said. And the reason why I don't want you to forget what I just said is for one reason. Is because I know that that's going to help you. At the end of the day, I know it. I built systems to make sure of that. And they will come through for you. As they always do. So, mathematics, when we look at the futures, it has a story. And in that story, we are professionals in this market. And we built a futures quant trading app. Oh yeah, I did. I built it. This is a public chart at what you're looking at. But the futures quantum app is totally different. As it is. And remember, futures trade 23 hours a day. This market's open 23 hours a day. So it shuts down at 2 and it opens at 3 in the afternoon. So it opens at 6 p.m., right? On the West Coast, it opens at 3 p.m. It really does. And then it has a story as to what markets are going to do. Right now, it's the holidays. And I wish everyone the best. I really do. I hope that one day, when you learn from me what the futures markets do, that is the story of the tape. In option markets, stock markets, different exchanges, all exchanges, by the way, and whatnot. Therefore, it will behoove you to see it live and all the reasons why. And I get to show that to you. I welcome you. At the end of the day, I welcome all of you, the futures market. But that market controls the equities and the options market and many other things. As money is moving around the world in a very wild way.